How to apply for Citi Double Cash Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Citi Double Cash Card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Go ahead and click on it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now here you will see the option of apply now. Click on that option. Now on this page, you're going to find all the details about the card. You can just go through it. Then you have to provide these details. First up, type in your personal information, then your address, phone and email, then agree with the terms and conditions. Once you fill up all these, provide all the details, you will be good to go. Scrolling down, you're going to find all the details of the card. And then now you can click on the option of submit. And just with that, you have applied for the Citi Double Cash Card. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.